Okay, students, here we discussed example number 5 and example number 6. In example number 5, it is given that the tower AB, here AB is a tower, and the angles of elevation is 60 degree and 30 degree. And one more thing is given, that is the shadow of the tower is 40 meter longer when the angle is 30 degree. Understand? 40 meter longer. This is the shadow, and we need to find out the height of AB here. So let the height of AB h here, h meter. Right? Now use trigonometry in triangle ABC and in triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, and you can let BC as x meter also, so that we can make our calculation easy. Understand? This understand what I am saying? It is AB let h meter and BC. This the length of this shadow is x meter, and the length of this meter is what? BD, 40 plus x. Understand? Now again, now you solve this problem very easily in triangle ABC and in triangle ABD. Use trigonometry and you can easily find out the height of the tower. Right? Now in this example number 6, AB is a 8 meter building height of 8 meter. AB represent building here, and PC represent multi-story building here. Right? So please read the statement carefully. AB is 8 meter, it is given. PC is multi-story building, and what here? Two angle of depression is given from the top of the building and the bottom of the building. It means observer यहाँ खड़ा है. Understand? वो यहाँ खड़ा है, यहाँ से इसके टॉप को देख रहा है, तो क्या एंगल फॉर्म होगा? एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन, दैट इज 30 डिग्री. उसके टॉप से 30 डिग्री है. प्लीज रीड द स्टेटमेंट केयरफुली, otherwise once you draw a wrong diagram, the whole question is wrong. Understand? That's why at the top the angle of depression is 30 degree, and at the bottom from this angle is 45 degree. Because once you draw a correct diagram, then the rest of the part is very easy. Because here again we get two right angle triangle here. That is one more thing. Now, if this is 30 degree, then what is the angle of this angle? By alternate interior angle, this is 30 degree. Alternate interior angle, as we already discussed in the concept, right? This is 45 degree, so this angle is 45 degree by alternate interior angle. Understand? And all angle of elevation हो, चाहे angle of depression हो, angle of depression हो, चाहे angle of elevation हो, हमेशा किसके साथ फॉर्म होता है? Horizontal के साथ. Understand? By alternate interior angles ही आ जाएंगे. Right? Now PBD in triangle PBD you use, this is also 8 meter. This is also 8 meter because it is given. Here it is 8 meter. Then you can let PD as h meter. Understand? PD. Now if you calculate in triangle PAC. What is in triangle PAC? Because this one is 45 degree. So what is in triangle PAC? In triangle PAC, tan 45 degree, that is equal to opposite upon adjacent, PC upon AC. And you know that tan 45 degree is 1, right? Tan 45 is 1. So here we get PC is equal to AC. It means what? PC is what? H plus 8. That is 8 plus H. AC is what? 8 plus H. Understand? Now you use trigonometry in triangle PBD. In triangle PBD. Tan 30 degree is equal to what? Opposite PD upon BD or AC is both are equal, so we can write also AC here. BD, this BD means H upon AC. AC is what? 8 plus H. Tan 30 is what? 1 upon under root 3. H upon AC is what? 8 plus H. Now here you can easily calculate H by this equation. Now if you calculate H, what is the height of multi-story building? 8 plus H. 8 plus H. Understand? And if we need to find out the distance between, put the value over here. Put the value here. When you calculate H, put the value of here. You can get distance between the building, two buildings. Understand? So what is important, students, here? Draw a correct triangle. It is important. So please read the statement twice and please see that कहाँ से कहाँ एंगल फॉर्म हो रहा है, इसके टॉप से, इसके बॉटम से, इसके टॉप से. So understand, and example 7 is again very easy example, so you can easily solve. It is already solved inside the book, so please read the examples carefully so that we can easily solve exercise 9.1. Thanks.